Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Damariana Ilhami. I'm from the Civil Engineering Department of Malang State with the Road and Bridge Construction Engineering Technologies Study Program. And right here, uh, I will explain briefly that I will design with a suspension bridge model and why I choose this bridge because uh, it is an interesting model and is rarely used because the speed is usually for long distance connecting the two sides. Uh, and of course, uh, the design that I include is a red and white pillar with, of course, symbolize our country, Indonesia. In accordance with our country motto is Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which means different things, but it's still one. Uh, Let me share this bridge. Uh, and right here, I will design for this bridge. A suspension bridge is a type of bridge that use main cable as the main load bearer, not side suspension. The main cable is usually made of steel or cane and is connected to towers or tall posts at each end of the bridge. The load passing over the bridge will be transmitted through the main cable and transmitted to the tower or support pillar. Two pillar. Now for the characteristic of suspension bridge is well, number one is main cable, right? And two towers, main cable, and two towers, girder, uh, hanging cable, and the last part is bridge floor. For benefit of suspension bridges, number one is long span, uh, and then material efficiency, design flexibility. For the lack of suspension bridge, number one is high suspension bridge and sensitivity to wind, complicated maintenance. There are many benefits of suspension, which for the community, especially for those who live in remote and isolated area. In general, suspension bridge have benefit. Number one is increasing accessibility and mobility. Number two, improving living standard and strengthening the local economy and increasing social integration. And the last part is increasing disaster resilience because for the uh, view in the SketchUp, I designed with a SketchUp application in Google. I'm very interested to this bridge, to suspension bridge, where previously I had seen a suspension bridge, namely the Golden Gate Bridge, where the bridge is located in San Francisco, United States. I was interested in designing a bridge like that by implementing a suspension bridge, especially in Indonesia, where Indonesia is very a little suspension bridge may be a suspension bridge because the cost is relative expensive compared to other bridges, and I was inspired to make this suspension bridge design because I wanted to look different because mm, this breed is very rarely used, and I designed it with the motto of my country, Indonesia, is Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which means different thing but still the one. In contributing to the aesthetic and functional of a suspension bridge, of course, the designer must consider number one is shape and proportion and material for the bridge and the tile for the bridge. Uh, and then contain architectural architectural style that can be applied to bridge. Number one is modern, neoclassical, Gothic, and Sunda. The functional consideration that influence the design of a suspension bridge. Number one is what the must be borne and distance between towers. And right here, I two towers in this bridge. And then height for the bridge, resistant to wind. For the conclusion, uh, suspension bridges are important infrastructure that have many benefits for society. With the right design, suspension bridge and can be beautiful, sturdy, and functional structure. Thank you.